Dear children, in the last class you have heard to the story of Akbar and Birbal, isn't it? And you also have written the words and meanings and question answers. In today's class we will be doing the exercises. Okay, you all be ready with pencil in your hand. Okay, and as I am telling, you have to go on writing. Okay, and compulsory you have to read and write. Okay, shall we start? See, page number 106. Question number 2. Read the given sentences and answer the questions. So here we have to read this sentence, and for this question we have to write the answer. Okay. It is very simple. There are 200 crows in the city. This sentence is there in the lesson. Isn't it? Who said this sentence? Who said this? This was told by Birbal. Okay. To whom was it said? It was told to Akbar. Okay. B-I-R-B-A-L. Birbal to A-K-B-A-R, Akbar. Okay, now second one. You are a very clever man. You are a very clever man. E sentence no other lesson olaga. Okay, then who was a very clever man? Who was clever, you tell me? Yes, it was Birbal. B-I-R-B-A-L. Birbal. Do you agree with Akbar? Akbar tells that Birbal is a very clever man, no? Do you think Birbal is clever? Yes, Birbal is a clever man. Okay, now in question number 3, we have to choose the correct answer. Here they have given answers. Among this we have to choose the correct answer and write it in this blank space given over here. Okay, see here. First one. Akbar and Birbal were walking in the palace garden. Isn't it? They were walking in the palace garden. You read the spelling and write it correctly. Okay. Now, the king ordered his men to count the dash in the city. Crows, dogs, elephants. King ಏನು ಎಣಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದ? Yes, it is crows. C-R-O-W-S, crows. Okay, now the king's men gave different answers, same answers, the correct answers. ಸೊ ಎಣಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಮೆನ್ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ದೇ ಗೇವ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. Different answers. Okay, next. Birbal's answer was dash. The correct answer, the clever answer, the wrong answer. So Birbal's answer was a clever answer. A clever answer. Okay children, you write it correctly, and then now we will move to page number 107. See here. Make as many words as possible from the following kangaroo words. One is done for you. Kangaroo words ಅಂತ ಯಾಕಂತಾರೆ ಇವಕ್ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಂಗ್ರೂ ನೋಡಿರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು, ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತದ? ತನ್ನ ಮರಿಯನ್ನು ತನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋತದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚೀಲ ಇರ್ತದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋತದ ಅದು. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಸೀನ್? Kangaroos, they keep their young ones, mean young kangaroo, their babies, in a pocket at their stomach. Okay, similarly these words also, they have another word inside them. ಕ್ಯಾಂಗ್ರೂ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಮರಿಯನ್ನು ತಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಇಟ್ಕೋತದಲ್ಲ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಈ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಏನದ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದ್ರ ಒಳಗಡೆನೇ ಅದ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಕ್ಯಾಂಗ್ರೂ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದು ನಾವು ಸಣ್ಣದೊಂದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ HUNDRED 100. If we take RED red, red is a separate word. Red ಒಂದು word ಅದ ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ, it is the name of a color, isn't it? So this is the kangaroo, this is the word from this kangaroo word. Okay, see next one. IMMEDIATE, immediate. Okay, then ATE, 8. Got it? Now ROOF, roof, TOP, top, rooftop. So I will select TOP, top, and write it over here. Got it? Next one. RIVER, river, BANK, bank, river bank. So I will select a word bank and write it over here. Got it, children? Now FRIEND, friend, END, end. Okay, isn't it easy? Yes, but you have to read the word spelling properly and then write it. Okay, now next, fifth one. Say these words aloud and circle the silent letter. One is done for you. See, first one, this one is done already. WALK, walk. L ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಲ್. TALK, ಟಾಕ್. L is silent, so circle for L. DOUBT, ಡೌಟ್. ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬಿ. KNOW, ನೋ. ನೋ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ನೋ ಅನ್ನಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕೆ ಈಸ್ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕೆ. WATCH, ವಾಚ್. Watch we will say, we will not say watch. T will not be spelled, it is silent, that's why we have put a circle for T. Okay, now and then the next one, question number 6. Underline the correctly spelled words. Among these words, which one are correctly spelled? We have to underline them. Okay, see here. Simple spelling, SIMPLE, SEMPLE, SIMPLI, SINPLE. Which one is correct? Yes, this is the correct spelling. Okay, now spelling of think, THENK, THEMK, THINC, THINK. So this THINK is the correct spelling. Got it? Now REGHT, RIGHT, RIGT, RIHT. So which one is the correct spelling among this? Which one is the correct spelling for right? RIGHT, right, is correct one. Okay, so underline for this. Next one, VESIT, VISET, VISIT, VISITE. Which is the correct spelling for visit? VISIT, visit is the correct one. Okay, hope you have understood. Now turn to page number 108. In question number 7, we have to match the animals with its groups. Okay, in this side only one animal is given, and on this side the same animal it is given in groups. Okay, so see here, dog is there, here a herd of dogs, gumpu, dogs in the gump. So we will draw a line from here to here. Okay, now one lion is there, a pride of lions. ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಲಾಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಎ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಾಯನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ this is a chimpanzee, and here a group of chimpanzees is there over here, isn't it? So we will draw a line from here to here, and here only one bird is given, and here a flock of birds is given. Many birds are there, so we will draw a line from here to here. Okay children, got it? Now see here, pick out the past form from the story. From this story, we have to write the past tense of this given verb. Okay, see, SAW, saw. Think, THOUGHT, thought, past tense. ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅನ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸೀಕ ಸಾ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, ಥಿಂಕಿಗೆ ಥಾಟ್ ಬರಿತೀವಿ, GIVE give, past tense of it is GAVE gave, GO go, WENT went, COUNT count, COUNTED counted. ನೀವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೊಡು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ನೀವು ಈಗ ಆಗಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ? ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಂಗೆ ಗಿವ್ ಗೇವ್. ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೌಂಟೆಡ್, ಎಣಸು ಅಂತಂದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಣ್ಸಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಎಣಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನಿ, ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಎಣ್ಸಿನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕೌಂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ಡ್, DISCUSSED, discussed. Okay, laugh, LAUGHED, laughed, laugh, laughed. Okay, now on page number 109 we have question number 8. Give the other genders for. Other genders means ಮೇಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಕಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ವೀನ್, QUEEN, ಕ್ವೀನ್. ರಾಜ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಫಿಮೇಲ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದ? ರಾಣಿ ಇರ್ತದ, ಇಸಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸ್, ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಇದ್ದರೆ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರಿ, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಸ್, PRINCESS, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ MAN, ಮ್ಯಾನ್, WOMEN, woman, MOTHER, mother, FATHER, father, UNCLE, uncle, AUNT, aunt. This way you have to do it. Okay, and see here in question number 10, this is a very interesting exercise. Here what they have given is, they have given all the alphabets from A to Z, and they have given one number for all of them. Okay, A ka 1 ant kottara, B ka 2, C ka C ka 3, D ka 4. Similarly they have given one number for U 21, V 22, Z 26, like this. Okay, so now what you have to do is, here they have given a series of numbers and alphabets. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ? ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಟಿಗೆ, ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, WEV ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಬರೀ ನಂಬರ್ಸನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಎ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ A, ಹೌದಾ? 18 ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನದ? 18 ಅಂದ್ರೆ R ಬರಿಬೇಕು. 5 ಅಂದ್ರೆ E, we have to write here E. Okay, then similarly 7 means G, 15 means O, 15 means O, 4 means D, ARER, GOOD, good. Okay, then 19 means S, 20 means T, 21 means U, 4 means D, 5 means E, 14 means M, 20 means T, 19 means S. Like this you have to write the number, alphabet for the corresponding number. ಈ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ನಂಬರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಆ ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡಬೇಕು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. and read it now. We are good students. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು ಇವು ಮೂರನ್ನು ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಲ್ಲ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಆ ಅಲ್ಫಾಬೆಟನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಗಾಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಓಕೆ, ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್, ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 110. Here what you have to do is, in this puzzle 10 times CROW you have to find out. Okay, see here I have found out 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and one more time is this one is 10. Okay, now what you have to do, you take your pencil and try to do it by yourself. Okay, and see, this is fun time. There are 100 crows sitting on tree. A man shoots at the crows. The bullet hits a crow. Boom, and it dies. Now how many crows are sitting there on the tree? ಇದು ನೀವೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮದೇ ತಲೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ, ನಾ ಹೇಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಮೇಲೆ 100 ಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಕಾಗೆ ಕೂತಾವ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊರಿ. ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಬ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೋಕ ದನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಂದು ಏಟ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಯಿಸಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಹತ್ತಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಗಿಡದ ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೋಸ್ ಉಳಿತಾವ ಅಂತ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, you think of your own and write the answer here. Okay children, we'll stop with the class over here and see you in the next class again.